The ARC-14SH is a powerful system that is designed to deliver an impressive cooling capacity of 14,000 BTUs. It is based on a dual-hose design and it therefore offers a higher efficiency and better performance. Click the link in the video description to see the latest price. If you are looking for a powerful air conditioner for your house, then this unit is specially engineered to cater for your cooling, 61 degrees Fahrenheit to 89 degrees Fahrenheit, and heating, 61 degrees Fahrenheit to 77 degrees Fahrenheit, needs. Bulky and heavy yet portable, this air conditioner will therefore be an ideal system for users looking for a one-stop, cooling plus heating, solution. What is more, this unit is designed to also provide the functionalities of a dehumidifier and a fan. For sure, the ARC-14SH is not small. This 35.5 inches high unit, weighing 80 pounds, is, however, portable. The unit features 4 multi-directional wheels to facilitate movement from one place to another. There is therefore no need to carry or lift it. Furthermore, the unit is compact in design and measures 35.5 by 19 by 16 inches. What's more, the ARC-14SH blends portability with a high cooling capacity to provide users with a truly powerful system. The 3-in-1 design makes sure that users in areas that experience season changes don't need to buy 3 separate systems for their cooling, fanning, and dehumidification needs. To start with, this air conditioner is engineered to deliver a high cooling capacity. This 14,000 BTUs unit is suitable for a 500 square feet space. However, this estimate assumes average ambient space conditions and it may therefore vary depending on the design of the room. The high cooling capacity makes this system an ideal air conditioner for use in bedrooms, server rooms, living rooms, classrooms, and workshops to name a few. The Whynter Arc-14SH air conditioner is undoubtedly a powerful unit that delivers an impressive performance. Click the link in the video description to see the latest price.